Okay. Pigs escaped. And I've got no idea what I'm going to do here. Hey guys, Nathan here. Welcome to In the Sticks. It's been a while since we made a video. I was planning on making one soon, but we're going to make one on a whim here. Let me show you this. The pigs have escaped. I have no idea how I'm going to get them back in their pen, but we're going to try something here. They actually like me. We're buddies. They're now attacking my son's bike. Hi. They're not really afraid of me, so oh, that one is. He's a little more skittish. This one loves me. Hi. See? But I would love to know how I'm going to get them back before they eat my wife's flowers. All right. When I came home and saw the pigs wandering the yard, I thought this was just too good to pass up. I usually miss decent content, and today I'm just going to show you the pigs that got out. I've got food in my hand, and I'm hoping they're going to follow me back down to their little hut here. All right, so let's get them out of the garden here. Hey, come on. Nope, 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 nope. I'm like the only one home right now. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Out! Get out! All this good food, I know. All right, look at this. Hey, come on. Got a bag of food. The editing's gonna suck on this video here, but well, I might as well show you guys the tree house. That's coming along here. We actually got the zip line up and got another project started. I've got all the siding I took apart. I really hope they don't eat right now. Come on, guys. All right, back home. Follow me. I've got your food. Hey, come on. Got your food. Got your food. Come on, follow me. Let's go over here. There. Piggy, piggy! This is fun. Come on, guys. Let's go back to your hut. Well, that guy's gonna be good. He's so fat he can't even climb the steps. Come on. No, no, not in the root cellar. Come on. There we go. Piggy, piggy. Let's go. Hope we don't crap in the root cellar. Come on. Oh my dogs. There we go. There's the other guy. Come on. Can't believe this is actually working. Come on, guys. Come on. Hey, hey. Come on. Piggy, piggy. Come on. This is insane. Well, I had a lot of things I was going to show you guys. Been busy doing military stuff. Starting me a little addition on back the house. I was going to tell you a little bit about the cheap Jeep. It's been a while. Oh, here, no, they're preoccupied. Come on, hey, come on. Come on, pigs. Cheap Jeep, there's actually stuff happening with the cheap Jeep. Just not here at the moment. All right. All right. You approach. I know they like food. Maybe they'll follow food in the wagon. Come on, guys. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Hey, no, 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 over here. Come on. Don't you dare find it. No, no, you don't want it there. Ah, it's in the garbage can. Can't have it. Right here. Look. Look at this. Yeah. Come on. Back to your little hut. There. All right, so what was I talking about? The cheap Jeep. I've actually decided to get someone to work on it for me, kind of begrudgingly. I think it's the valves, but I just got too many projects going on, like pigs and forts and home additions, military stuff, to really concentrate on everything right now. There, come on. Oh, I'm so glad this one. There, that could have been my wife's garden. I don't even know where they got out. Right there, main fence. Easy fix. Beautiful, guys. Hey, no, 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 no. Come on. Hey, no. Right there. Get in. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, man. Man, oh, man. Yeah, they have really torn this up. So I had to turn the fence off, and they normally stay in. Today they did not. They ground it out, and I had to let the solar charger charge there. They found the compost pile. Hey, no, 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 no. Out. Out, 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 out. Let's go. You two. Back home. Let's go home. Let's go home and get back in this way. This way. There we go. I know, you're lost. Oh, you made it. Thank God. All right. How do you like that for a video? No one would have believed me I got them back in if I didn't have my phone on me. And here they come. It is my son's birthday today. I went and got pizza and pig food. They went skating down the road. Rollerblading. All right, there they are. Hey guys! Traven! I'm over here by the pigs. Get your mother out real quick. Nicole! I just got the pigs out of your garden. I just got the pigs out of your garden.
What?
The pigs were in the driveway when I came home.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Did you get them in the bag?
Yeah, I filled the wagon with food.
Did you just bust this side open?
Yeah, I had to sacrifice your wagon.
The heck?
All right, so we got food in there, and we're doing a little damage assessment. They tore this fence up really good. And over in their crap pile. Awesome. Look how happy they are with all their food. Leaving me to fix the fence that they tore to pieces, which I can't blame them. But they did an awfully good job. Any more days? 29. You have 29 days. No, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare go out there. Scooch. 1% left on the phone. But we're done. Fence is fixed. Thank you guys for the adventure. Thank you for my hands and wagging covered in crap. Let's test the fence. All right. It is on. Oh! I heard one yep. All right, it's fixed. All right, one of you two, test it just in case.
Go lips.
No deal.
You were the last one.
No.
We only got 1% left. Come on.
Okay. Like,
Someone has to test it
I'm not
and
testing
be on film.
No, because remember we had before you started doing that. So.
Someone gets a special treat when they touch the fence.
I don't. Oh yeah, special treat. I'm not doing it.
I love you, Traven.
I'm sure you do.
Okay, touch it.
It's worse than
Touch it.
What do I get?
I'll tell you after. The camera's gonna die. Hurry.
Come on. Don't,
Traven, just do it.
I don't want to.
It's literally gonna die. Both wires. It works. You get an extra scoop of ice cream.
Yes.
That's not bad.
Worth
I'm gonna
it.
get my own ice cream.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I wanted to do a more put together video than that. I kind of was all over. I'm sure I repeated myself a couple times. My video was going to be to show you how big my pumpkins got. And right there, look, that guy's huge. And some of the stuff on the cheap Jeep. Some of the projects going on, but we're going to have to get to those whenever I get to them. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe below and enjoy the fall.